Hello judges, we are the Magnetic Masters representing PG Smart Campus from secondary category of the Science Whiskers competition. I'm Smaran.
I'm Arjav.
And I'm Johan.
Today we're going to be presenting our model of the maglev train. Maglev stands for magnetic levitation. Maglev train uses magnetic forces to lift the train above the tracks. Because the train doesn't touch the tracks, it significantly reduces the friction, which makes smoother and faster travel for customers.
Our model uses magnets to demonstrate the basic principle between maglev technology. Magnets have two poles, north pole and a south pole. Like poles, opposite poles attract while like poles repel. When similar poles face each other, they push away from one another. This force is called magnetic repulsion.
So the real maglev train, they are very powerful magnetic systems which create enough force to lift the train slightly above the track. This process is known as magnetic levitation. So since the train is not in direct contact with the rails, there is much less friction compared to a traditional train.
A magnetic field is the region around a magnet where magnetic forces can act. When the magnetic fields of the train and the track interact, they lift the train above the track so there is lesser friction.
Maglev technology has several advantages. It allows trains to travel at high speeds, smoother traveling, and has less wear and tear since there's less physical touch between moving parts.
Now we're going to be presenting our model.
So this is a real life model we have tried to make of the maglev train. So this car is acting as a train, and this you can see is the track we have made. So these side plastic angles are for stability of the train. So let's put the train through the model. So you can see as we put it through, it's not sticking but it's repelling.
It's actually float. You can see that the our train model is actually floating due to the magnetic forces, and this is actually how maglev trains in real life work. And as you can see, since it's not floating, there's almost zero friction between the train and the track.
Yeah.
So now we're going to be explaining our diagram which we have created.
So I'm going to be talking about how it works. So there are three processes. First is levitation. So it's the electromagnets on the train that interact with the coils in the guideway. The magnetic force lifts the train just a few millimeters above the track, which causes it to move. Second is guidance. The electromagnets at the side keep the train centered and stable by gently steering it along the guideway. Third is propulsion. The linear motors in the guideway create a moving magnetic field that pulls or pushes the train forward with no wheels and no friction.
So now I'm going to be telling the purpose. The purpose of the maglev train is to provide ultra-fast, sustainable, safe, reliable and comfortable transportation for the future. It solves many major transport problems such as reduces travel time, there's less wear and tear, it reduces noise and vibration, it's energy efficient and it improves safety. Maglev trains can go up to 500 kilometers per hour or 310 miles per hour. In short, maglev trains use magnetic levitation and propulsion to remove friction, achieve higher speeds, reduce maintenance, and create a faster, safer, quieter, and cleaner way to travel. A real-world example of the maglev train is in Shanghai, which connects Pudong International Airport to the city in just 7 to 8 minutes.
So now I'll be talking about the key benefits of a maglev train. So firstly, it reaches like extremely high speeds up to 500 kilometers per hour. This means that it will reach your destination in no time. It's energy efficient. Low friction means less energy is wasted. It's quiet and smooth. No wheel track contact reduces noise and vibration. Low maintenance. No physical contact means fewer breakdowns and less wear. It's safe and reliable. It has advanced control systems to prevent derailment and ensure safety and stability. Environment friendly. Lower noise, lower energy use, and fewer emissions. We believe that maglev train is the future of this world.
Thank you.
Thank you.